Hey there, car enthusiasts. Are your wheels looking a bit dull or worn? Do you want to transform them into stunning focal points that'll turn heads on the road? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of wheel paint, the secret weapon for giving your ride that fresh, eye-catching appeal. We'll explore the best products on the market, reveal insider tips, and share how you can achieve professional results right in your garage. Stick around, because you won't want to miss the game changer for your wheels. Let's roll! Number 5. EVOOOR Rims Touch-Up Paint for Tesla. Are you tired of those unsightly curb rash scratches on your Tesla's induction wheels? Look no further than the EVOOOR Rims Touch-Up Paint. This DIY solution is designed specifically for Tesla Model Y 20-inch wheels, ensuring a perfect matte black color match that blends seamlessly with your existing hubcaps. With this innovative touch-up paint, you can make curb rash disappear effortlessly, giving your wheels that brand new look without the high cost of professional repairs. The process is incredibly simple. Just clean the scratched surface, shake the paint for 10 seconds, and apply. It's that easy. No need to mix paints or remove your tires. It's a straightforward 3-step process that anyone can handle. Rated as the best wheel paint for its ease of use and fantastic results, EVOOOR's touch-up paint is a must-have for every Tesla owner. Restore your wheels today and drive confidently knowing your ride looks its best. Number 4. Wheel Scratch Fix Anthracite Rim Touch-Up Paint Kit is your ultimate solution for restoring the beauty of your car wheels with ease. Whether you're dealing with curb rash, scratches, or dents, this repair kit is suitable for any painted wheels, including black, gray, silver, and, of course, anthracite gray. Designed for simplicity, the kit allows you to achieve professional results without a trip to the body shop. It's a straightforward 3-step process to fix your rims quickly, saving you both time and money. The high-quality OEM paint, combined with an innovative double-head touch-up pen featuring a foam brush tip, ensures a flawless finish without streaking. With an included wheel sand block, tape roll, and cleaning pad, you have everything you need for a smooth application. Plus, our dedicated online support team is always ready to assist you in finding the perfect color match. When it comes to the best wheel paint on the market, the Wheel Scratch Fix Kit is the top choice for effortlessly restoring your wheels to their original glory. Number 3. Jietamaseo Gloss Black Rim Touch-Up Paint is your go-to solution for restoring the sleek appearance of your car wheels. This innovative wheel repair kit is designed to effortlessly eliminate curb rash, dents, and scratches, protecting your rims from rust and corrosion. With its glossy black finish, it not only repairs but rejuvenates the look of your wheels, making them appear brand new. What sets this product apart is its user-friendly application. Simply clean the surface, shake the paint for about a minute, and you're ready to go. Use the pen for small chips or the brush for larger imperfections. For deeper scratches, just apply 3 to 5 coats. The paint dries in just 10 minutes, saving you both time and money on professional repairs. For optimal results, practice on scrap metal or cardboard to perfect your technique. If you're seeking the best wheel paint that delivers quick and easy results with a flawless finish, Jietamaseo's touch-up paint is your best choice for wheel restoration. Number 2. Rust-Oleum 368076 High-Performance Wheel Spray Paint is your go-to solution. This impressive 11-ounce aerosol can is designed for aluminum, steel wheels, and plastic hubcaps, providing a durable finish that enhances the appearance of your vehicle. With its advanced formula, it offers 3x more durability than previous versions, ensuring excellent resistance to dents and scratches while preventing rust formation. One of the standout features is its quick drying capability. Your wheels will be ready to admire in just 10 minutes. Covering up to an impressive 8 square feet per can, you can easily achieve a glossy, eye-shine finish that will make your wheels look brand new. Whether you're restoring a classic car or giving your daily driver a fresh look, Rust-Oleum Wheel Spray Paint delivers outstanding results. So, why wait? Transform your wheels today with this top-of-the-line spray paint and enjoy the compliments that come your way. Number 1. SONGVEN Silver Rim Touch-Up Paint is your go-to solution for quick and effective wheel scratch repairs. This gloss silver paint is specifically designed for aluminum alloy and iron surfaces, forming a durable, protective layer that is anti-rust and waterproof. Say goodbye to unsightly scratches, as this paint effectively shields your wheels from dirt, sand, and moisture, keeping them looking pristine even after a wash or rain. With its user-friendly application, simply clean the scratched area, shake the pen, and paint until the scratch is covered. The drying time is impressive too. It only takes about 10 minutes per layer. Plus, with a validity period of 4 years, you can store it away for later use without worries. Whenever you need a touch-up, just grab it and go. SONGVEN even offers great after-sale support to ensure your satisfaction. If you're looking for the best wheel paint that is reliable and easy to use, this product is an excellent choice. Follow the instructions for optimal results, and give your wheels the care they deserve. In conclusion, choosing the best wheel paint can elevate the look of your vehicle while providing durability and protection. We've explored top options that can suit different styles and budgets, ensuring you make an informed decision. Whether you opt for a matte finish or a glossy sheen, your wheels will shine brighter than ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Your support means everything.